I used to be a overseas professional basketball player.
I used to be a commercial insurance producer.
I used to be a district sales manager with Erie Insurance.
I used to be an engineer.
I used to be an event planner.
I used to be a mortgage broker.
I used to work for a captive agency, and now I'm an independent ERIE agent.
Now I am the agency principal.
Now I'm an independent ERIE agent.
And now I am an independent ERIE agent.
But now I'm an independent ERIE agent.
Now I'm independent ERIE agent.
And now I am the proud owner of an Erie Insurance agency.
I like being an ERIE agent because it provides me and my family a lot of flexibility.
I love being an ERIE agent because I can advocate for my clients and make sure that they have the policy that they need and the policy that fits their needs.
One of the amazing things that Erie Insurance does is surround you with quality people. There's longevity in that company, which says a lot, especially in today's world, that the team of people that they have at Erie Insurance have been there for a really long time because they love what they do. And then it comes through, and then I love what I do even more because I know I have the support that is literally a phone call away.
It was just like one big happy family as far as getting to know, all of the management type people within Erie Insurance, representing other carriers. As long as we did prior to our appointment with Erie Insurance, we had very little connection.
When I first started, a guy told me, an agent called me up and said, "You don't know how lucky you are." And I'm like, "Really? What do you mean?" He goes, "With Erie, you don't know how lucky you are." And the truth is, I realize it now. And I realized it at year 1, 2, and 3, and so on, because the other carriers are not this way.
So I worked in the insurance industry for 3 years before getting my ERIE appointment. And I worked for a captive agent selling a different company's products. And every time a customer would come into my agency and ask for a quote, they would slide that current deck page over to me and I would see ERIE across the top. And 9 times out of 10, I wouldn't even quote my company's products because I knew that ERIE's products were superior to what I could offer with the other company.
I think for me, I always had a calling and I knew that I wanted to work for myself and own a business. I felt like when I worked for a corporation, I was reading the book and I had a strong passion to want to write the book. So I had a passion that I knew I wanted to be in entrepreneurship. And then basically insurance is just the people business. We're in the business of helping people, building relationships.
I just always want to see myself at the top of the leaderboard and finishing at the top each week. So I love the competitiveness of sales. And you also get to help people and be a leader in your community and be a leader with the team that you hire.
One of the foundations of our agency is education. So everyone, not just myself, but everyone in the office thinks that it's really, really important that we don't just sell insurance policies, but we educate our client so they know what they have and they understand their protection if they ever need to use it.
There was so much support that ERIE gave me as a scratch agency. It made it really just comforting to know that they wanted me to be as successful as I wanted to be.
I really love working with ERIE because they fill the 3 buckets of commercial, personal, and life insurance better than any other carrier. And it's fun to work with them and they're just a good partner. I just really look at ERIE as a solid partner for us.
Our underwriting team is incredible. And it says a lot from an insurance standpoint that you're not calling into a call center to get somebody to say yes or no or answer a question. You have a dedicated person. You're one person that is going to be there for you your entire time. You have a relationship with them. You become friends with them. It's a wonderful experience to know that they are in line with helping you attract quality clients and maintain those relationships for years to come.
Truthfully, now after 15 years of working with ERIE, it's the best decision I've ever made in my life. I can really, and I know that's huge to say, but it really has given me the opportunity to be who I want to be.